Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my Leetcode videos. In this one we'll do Leetcode 997, find the town judge. So we're basically given an array of trust relationships saying that person A trusts person B for each trust relationship, and there are people labeled from 1 to n in the town, and we need to find if there's a judge. So basically the judge trusts nobody, so there's no one that the judge trusts, and everybody except the judge trusts the judge, right? So everyone else trusts the judge except the judge himself. So basically, we need to find if there's a judge in the town. So how are we going to solve this problem? So we need to keep track of, for each person, who trusts, how many people trust them and how many people they trust, right? And then at the end, we'll see if the numbers add up, where if there's somebody who trusts nobody and is trusted by everyone else, or n minus 1 people, then we know that they're the judge. So let's first start by creating our two arrays, which is trusts, which will represent that the nth person trusts how many other people, and the other array will be trusted by, which will represent this person is trusted by how many other people, right? And so then let's just go through all of our trust relationships. So the truster in this case is t at 0, right? And the trustee in this case is t at 1, right? Because it says this guy trusts this guy, right? So the truster's trusts number goes up because he is trusting someone, and I'll just use truster minus 1 since it's 1 to n and we're only up to n, so we'll just shift it by minus 1 to get the 0 based index. So the truster minus 1's trusts number goes up because he trusts someone, and the trustee's trusted by number goes up. So we'll say trusted by trustee minus 1 goes up because there's one person who now trusts this trustee. So that will be that, and then we'll try to see if any of the 1 to n people is a judge. So we'll again go through from 1 to n and find if any of them is a judge. So basically, if this guy is a truster of no one else, so basically if truster at I minus 1, since this is 1 to n, to get the index we'll minus 1. So basically if trusts at I minus 1 is equal to 0, that means this guy trusts no one, and the trusted by at I minus 1 is equal to n minus 1, which means everyone else, all the n minus 1 other people trust this guy, then we'll return I because this is our judge, right? That's the criteria. And otherwise, if we can't find any judge, we'll return -1. So let's run this and see how this does. Cool, accepted. Let's submit. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.